how cool this is. It has like a cell phone pocket.
Cell phone.
So you put your stuff in here, and then put your cell phone in there.
For all your scared passengers.
It would help if we knew what these parts look like, because then we would know like sort of how they fit.
Or if we'd done this before.
Ooh, yeah, definitely green fluid. We got some green fluid here. Like real mechanics all around the world are gonna watch this and be like, what is wrong with these guys? Uh-oh.
Spilling?
Got something else? Pass me that other thing.
Oh. Should I go grab something
This
else?
has holes in it, yeah. Yeah, definitely something else. Quick. Take that can, drop that one. You got it? Crap. Good job. Thank you.
Like a baby.
Yeah, the baby's leaking. Alright, this one I got a little bit more room. Tomatoes. You got it?
Yeah. We're not very organized.
Yeah, that's I'm trying to think of, like, I think it's coolant. Is that coolant, internet? Green. Yeah, this, like, when I look here, there's a whole, like, I can see right through. This car needs a floor. This is like, you know what? There's just like, that's the floor. Like, this is a full-on hole. So there's a brace here, which seems relatively strong, but then these cavities, I think, on both sides are pretty much gone. Like, look.
Oh my god.
This was like a thin floor too, like. Anyway, so you can see where, like this, but then you get into here, like there's still car here. Ooh, man, that's gonna take some work, dude. Watch what you're breathing. So the less pieces we can get this out in, the better. Which would mean like, oh yeah, look, it's just ancient. Like this floor is gone. Like this floor is totally gone
We
here.
need whole new.
Now some stuff, like the seat mounts.
I wouldn't say they're savable, but
Yeah, I don't know. They may need to replacement too. This is what we've been kneeling on here.
yeah.
What is there? We don't have garbage bags in here. Is it cool? I mean, I don't know if it's cool or not, but you'll be able to, once this floor is out, it'll be really easy to see everything underneath.
Yeah, I know. That's why I kind of just want to knock it out and then.
Well, and then we stop looking at this sad excuse for floor, right? Like,
Oh, there's the frame rail.
yep. Or at least like what appeared to be at one point. Dude, we got the carpet out.
Yeah.
That's been, how long have I been saying? I can't wait to get the carpet out. We're into some
We gotta get
nasty.
my hands in here, but we gotta try and get whatever this is off.
What's that?
That's covering the raw metal. You could just take a crowbar and just pry each piece off.
Yeah. I'll leave it for now and we'll see what. Well, I think we gotta figure out how to get everything out of this interior, and maybe what we'll do is break out a bunch of the floor. Eh?
A hammer?
Well, I just tap it gently, and because so this is, it's like I saw these floors are in pieces, or it's like a tray basically, and then you can see where the tray's welded in.
Yeah, there's the tray, and then I guess there's one up there, and then this is like a piece of the frame or something.
Should make it easier to clean under the car
Yeah.
because we can see the floor.